Today, I'll walk you through how to write on a PDF in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to annotate your PDF documents so you can enhance your note-taking experience. Let's get started. First, open OneNote and navigate to the notebook where your PDF file is located. If you haven't already inserted your PDF, you can do so by selecting the Insert tab and choosing Print Out. This will allow you to view your PDF directly within OneNote. And remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same. Once your PDF is open, look for the Draw tab at the top of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a ribbon with various tools. Here you can choose between different types of pens and a highlighter. This is similar to picking out your favorite writing instrument from a stationery store. Each tool has its own unique flair. Now it's time to start annotating. You can highlight important sections or mark specific words and sentences that you want to emphasize. This is a great way to make your notes stand out and capture key information. Feel free to adjust the color and thickness of your pen or highlighter based on your preferences. Think of it as customizing your own artistic style. If you make a mistake or want to remove something, don't worry. OneNote has an eraser option that allows you to easily erase any annotations you've made. It's like having a magic wand that can make your mistakes disappear. In addition to writing and highlighting, you can also insert shapes and text boxes as annotations. This feature is particularly useful for adding visual elements to your notes, making them more engaging and easier to understand. Just imagine you're creating a visual map of your thoughts. It can really help in organizing your ideas. As you go through these steps, take your time. It's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be annotating PDFs like a pro. To recap, we covered how to open your PDF in OneNote, select drawing tools, annotate with pens and highlighters, adjust colors and thickness, erase mistakes, and insert shapes and text boxes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.